Hey guys. So, I was able to find out for real if I was actually blocked or all my excuse me, if all my information was deleted. Apparently it was. And apparently the Pax Forex does not want me as a client because they have deleted my entire account from their servers. I can't get no access from to the chat support. I'm completely blocked from that. I can text them, but uh, anyways, it's not a very good situation. So I will uh, take you back here, and you know, posing as somebody else, I finally was able to do this, and this is what's kind of funny here. You Unfortunately, I don't have the information about your account. You may contact us by email. I have been for the past 4 days. You may contact us about it. So why ask me for my account? That didn't make any sense. So, I told him I already did that, and this bitch's response. Um, and then next thing you know, you don't see any of this numbers time stamp. You don't see the time stamp. So I was already blocked on that. So obviously it's already around in that little small ass office they have in there, but they can go take it and swirl it around on their thumbs, on their, up their ass. Yeah, they can just go ahead and do that and stick their thumbs up their asses and play with each other. Um, I already did find another broker, and I don't know why I want to continue doing business with these people, anyways. Because their Pax Forex is purely 100% rude. You could say the same thing about me, but I've just been disrespected from the straight get go, not being responded to properly, um, always being constantly being not told that there's something else wrong, that it's my problem. They're not having that problem, or I've just been straightly put off by a bunch of nonsense excuses. So Pax Forex is nothing but sorry ass excuses. So you don't like it, go somewhere else. So that's kind of what I got from these people, and I'll be damned if they uh, go and bother with me anymore. So, I made them money, then they refused to service me. They refused to make any deposits to my account, and such forth whatnot. So, anyway, this is rude. I mean, I don't know how else to explain this, but this is straight up bullshit. And so, yeah. Apparently, I'm able to log in here, but I can't log into my other site. Makes a lot of sense. Makes a hell of a lot of sense. Doesn't make any sense at all. And oh yeah, it doesn't make any sense that you can't use Internet Explorer anymore either. Yeah, I mean, shit. Google Chrome sucks. I hate it. But unfortunately, you have to use Google Chrome, which is stupid. You should be able to use anything you want. Anyway, Another bullshit day with Pax Forex. If it's too good to be true, it definitely sure is too good to be true.